Alright, so today I do have here God Said No by Omar on vinyl. This is the signed limited edition light blue slash ruby vinyl. So I'm very excited to see how the pressing looks. Here is the side, and then the back. The track list right there. I did unbox the CD and the cassette, so if you guys do want to check out those unboxings, the links will be down in the description down below, or just go through my channel. It should be the first two videos after or before this one. But yeah. Alright. So here is the gatefold. And it looks like these are the lyrics. And then it does say no. It looks like this is the poster, I think. Here's his signature. It does look like he did hand sign it. Okay, and then this should be the poster. Yeah, we do have a poster. And then just pause this if you guys want to read it. Here's the back. Here is the LP. Comes in a nice inner jacket with the credits, some photos of Omar. Pretty sweet. And then the LP is nice. It does fit the album cover. This is side B. Here's the track list. And then side A. And I believe that is all that we get inside this LP. Yep. Alright, so that is it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, stay tuned for some more unboxing videos coming out soon. Check out the album if you guys haven't. It is definitely one of my favorite albums of the year. Until then, though,